Hey, what's up guys, it's Aryan here, and today I'll be trying out some 3x3 world record scrambles, so let's see how it goes. So I've collected all the scrambles on my laptop over there. I'll be just going over there and solving. But before I do so, I just wanted to tell you guys that I haven't tried all these scrambles, but I've tried some of them, including the 3.47 world record, which is the current world record for the 3x3. And I have tried the scramble and also the solution, but I don't exactly remember it. So other than that, I don't really remember the solutions to the other scrambles. And I'll be starting off with 5.66, the iconic 5.66 Felix's solve, and let's see how it goes. I'm really excited to try out these scrambles because I have no idea what I'm going to get. Let's hope for the best. So here are all the scrambles that I wanted to try, starting off with the 566 by Felix, then 555 by Maths, and then I think this is the 491 by Lucas, and I found this article. Hope you can solve the Rubik's as fast as this guy. Anyway, then I got the Maths Walk sub 5 and then some more solves, and this is the one that I wanted to try again because 347 is just insane. Okay, starting with the first solve, the 566 by Felix, the legendary solve, and the scramble will be in the description if you guys want to try it out as well. Okay, this is the scramble, and I think he also did yellow cross in this one just because, you know, because of all this stuff that is over here, so I'll be doing that as well. Okay, 650 as my first solve. I got a PLL skip over there, which is kind of embarrassing, but definitely not better than Felix's solve, which was actually full step, and also back in the day he had a not as good as this cube, so I think it was a Diane Zanchi, I'm not sure, but given the hardware I did not do well along with the PLL skip, so definitely not the best time. Moving on to the next one. The next one is the 555 by Maths Walk, which was broken back in 2013. He broke this record, the one I tried right now. So again, scramble will be in the description if you guys want to check it out. Alright. Okay, green cross looks good. I think you also did green. And I'm going to be doing white in this. .787 on this one, not great at all. He got a 555, obviously the world record, so definitely insane. The next one is the 490, the legendary 490, the first sub 5 officially in the world. The scramble is right here and I'll be trying it right now. Let's see how this one goes. I'm actually pretty excited to try this one out because I don't know, I just am. 769, not a good solve at all. I don't think I'll get close to these times on these scrambles because I don't know, the solutions on these scrambles are always pretty good, which I'm not really able to track right now. But moving on to the next scramble, the Maths Waltz 474. This one again was a pretty surprising world record. I wasn't expecting to see this one happen, but I think Maths used VLS in this, just like his previous world record. So scramble is right over here. I hope it is correct. I actually can see from this image, and it is indeed correct. Okay. Oh no, I did the incorrect PLL in this one. Again, not beating the record itself. Crazy solve over here. I'll have to try out these solutions later on. Mine are not that great, and he also used VLS like I said, and I did not, so I got a 921. Okay, Moving on to the next scramble, which is 459 by Seungbyum Cho. I am not sure if I am pronouncing that correctly, but the scramble is on the screen. Okay, again, I hope the scramble is correct. And the scramble is correct. Okay. $571 on this one, full step. I think he got a PLL skip, but again, 459 is absolutely insane. And yeah, PLL skip definitely helped him. Moving on to the most epic record ever, I think. This was probably the most surprising record that was broken back in 2018. It was by Yusheng Du from China with a time of 3:47 seconds, which is absolutely crazy, especially that he got it in the competition, stack matted, and yeah, it's just insane. I'm very excited to try this one out. Okay, scramble is done. Now I kind of know the solution to this. I think he did red cross and the solution was pretty crazy, but I'm going to be trying my own solution and I'll see what I get over here. I got a 581, could have been faster. I kind of paused and also locked up, but again, he got 347 and I kind of knew the solution to it. He inserted two pairs at the same time, but I tried my own solution just because I wanted to see what I would get on my solution. So yeah, that's it. Okay guys, this was it. I really hope you enjoyed my solves and my times on these scrambles. I mean, these guys are absolutely insane. The ones who got the records, and they got them in a competition under nerves and also with stack mats, which is absolutely insane. I tried to do my best, but I did not get good times. I kind of pressured myself into getting good times because I knew that these are the world record scrambles, so it's fine. Let me know what times you get on these scrambles. The scrambles will be in the description box below. Check them out and let me know. And until next time, cheers.